Good morning everyone. Today we will be starting chapter number 13, symmetry. As you can see here, I've already shared one to videos with you, and here you can see what do you mean by symmetry. Now symmetrical objects are those, symmetrical shapes are those shapes when we fold those shapes on a line of symmetry. Means if we can divide that shape in such a way that one part covers the another part, that is a symmetrical shape. Okay, for example, I have given you like this triangle is given and I have divided it like this. So if we take this part and fold it to this part, then this part will be fully covered by this and there will be no outer edges. So we call this images, so we call this shape symmetrical shapes. Now as you can see here, we are having this rectangle kind of shape, but here the edges are not the same. Here these two edges are different with these two. Then so if we fold this, if I divide it like this and if I fold this image like this, so this edge will come outside and this will not cover the this edge. So this is not a line of this is not a symmetrical shape. Here I have made a line of symmetry, so it means that this figure can be divided in such a way that one part cover it by like this. So it's not necessary every time you will be having horizontal line of symmetry or vertical line of symmetry. You can draw like this also, you can draw the figure like this also. So this is a symmetrical shape. Now this one is hexagon. So hexagon, what you have is hexagon, you can divide it by how many times? 6 times you can divide, like this also, like this also, 1 2 3 4 4 times like this you can draw the line of symmetry. And this is also you can divide it by like means in different way. So this is also a symmetrical shape. Now this one, as you can see, the edges are not the same, so obviously this part will not cover this part, so this is not a symmetrical shape. Now the next question is, look at each picture, tick if the dotted line is a line of symmetry and cross if it is not. So this line is already given to you people, and he is saying that whether this line of symmetry means if this line of symmetry, if we divide like this figure, so can the one part cover the other part properly? So if you can see this line, this is a symmetrical figure and line of symmetry is like this. Yes, this part will cover this part, so we will tick, put tick. Here also this is also, this part will cover this part, so this is also correct line of symmetry. Here also if you can see properly that this part also cover this part properly, so this is also symmetrical shape. But this one, your hand, is not a symmetrical shape, as this thumb will come outside, so this we will put cross. Now draw the line of symmetry for each figure, so this is a circle. Circle can be divided in many ways. You can fold it in many ways. So I have written infinite, means there are many lines that you can draw for circle. I have drawn like 4 5 lines. You can draw as many as you can as you want. Okay, so this figure as it is having, you can fold it like this also. Okay, and you can fold it like this also. So here are two line of symmetries. A can be divided in a single way, so that's why there is only one line of symmetry. If we divide it like this, there will be no symmetry. H can be divided two times, horizontal also, vertical also. So it can be divided it like this also, it can be divided it like this also. So there are two line of symmetry. Now tick what you already know. Identify symmetrical figure. Can you identify symmetrical figure? Yes. Okay, so identify line of symmetry. Identify line of symmetry. Yes, we can find it out. And draw the line of symmetry in 2D shapes. So these all are the 2D shapes. So I have drawn, put a tick. Now come on, exercise that we will be doing today. Here also, this is actually given reflection symmetry. In this system it is given reflection symmetry. What do you mean by reflection? Reflection means the mirror image of the object. As you can, if you stand in front of the mirror, you can see that your image will come properly like this in the this mirror. So this is reflection symmetry, when you get the same image in the mirror. So here also this is reflection symmetry. P is not coming upside down. Okay, do remember this thing, the figure should not be upside down. This is also a reflection symmetry, reflection symmetry example, and this is also a reflection symmetry example. So here you have to draw this butterfly uh, in a reflection symmetry manner. Okay, so these all are the example of reflection symmetry. Here also, as you can see, the Taj Mahal also is shown in a reflection symmetry. When you can see exact copy of the same image in the reflection, that is reflection symmetry. So if an object is placed in front of the mirror, there will be no difference between the length and the breadth of the mirror image to actual object. So this is called reflection symmetry. So which of the following objects symmetrical? Firstly, he is asking which of the following object is symmetrical. Now this one is as you can fold this object like this, so you can have the you can have one line of symmetry, so it is a symmetrical shape. You cannot fold house in any way so that it can be cover the other part properly, so this is not a symmetrical shape. This picture of tiger, as you can see, the print is given actually the similar one. Okay, there is no difference in the prints also, so this is also a symmetrical shape. And table is also a symmetrical shape. The line symmetry will be like this. Knife doesn't, I cannot divide knife in any way so that it can cover one part to the another, not like this, not like this, so this is asymmetrical shape. And candle can be divided in such a way that it can be folded the other part, so this is a symmetrical shape. Now check out which of the pictures are symmetrical. Tick the picture that have reflection symmetry along the line drawn and cross the picture that do not show reflection symmetry. Now I've already told you this line of symmetry, you should have the similar shape in front of both sides of the line of symmetry. So here this shape is not coming, this is a line of symmetry. Suppose this is a mirror, so if you are standing here, you should have the same image in this side also. As we are not getting the same image in this side, so it is not a reflection symmetry, so you have to put a cross. This is also a line of symmetry and we are having same shapes both side, so this is a reflection symmetry, so we will put tick. Here the reflection symmetry is like the line of symmetry is like this, but we are not getting the same shapes both sides, so this is not a reflection symmetry. Here also, as you can see, there this shape is different from this shape, so this is also not a reflection symmetry. Now here we have to draw the complete the following picture by drawing the reflections. You have to draw the reflections here. As you can see here, this is the exact reflection of this part, so this is complete. I have drawn like this. You have to count 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Here half is there, so you have to be careful. I think you can draw this easily. This triangles here, exact copy of reflection symmetry I have drawn. Like this also you have to draw the reflection symmetry. Now find the words looking at the mirror. Now you have to place the mirror here and find that which words that is written. As you can see here, this is F, this is R, A, C, T, I, O, N. You have to study it from backside, so it is fraction. If you study from here, mathematics, so this is mathematics. Okay, now this one geometry, so this is geometry. So by this we have finished our reflection symmetry. I hope that you people have understood the meaning of reflection symmetry, everyone. So you have to do all this exercise in your book. Okay, no need to do it in the notebook, just write down the index in notebook. Okay, bye bye.